Guess the Italian brain rot AI animals. Ready to start? Who's our first character?
Graipussi Medussi.
Who do you think it is? Yes, this is number 9.
Graipussi Medussi.
Next challenge for you. Only 5% of you can like this video and subscribe before time runs out. Can you figure it out?
Budi di dun budi andun dan dun din.
Absolutely, it's number 16.
Budi di dun budi andun dan dun din.
Who's the character?
Porcospino Arrosticino.
Well done, that's number 5.
Porcospino Arrosticino, il mio pisellino.
Who's this character?
Kudanile Astronotte.
That's number 1.
Kudanile Astronotte.
Would you rather have
TRILALERO TRIMALIMA, pollo di metanfetamina,
or
PiriPiri Crocodilini, luce brillante notte oscura.
show your choice, subscribe, or like? Let us know your answer in the comments. Recognize this character?
Tric Trac baraboom, il mio mantello fa rum rum.
It's number 10.
Tric Trac baraboom, il mio mantello fa rum rum.
What character do you think this is?
Srawbberini, Balerinni, Bobrinni.
Who do you think it is? It's number 11.
Srawbberini, Balerinni, Bobrinni.
How about this one?
Porcodrilo fruitilento, astronauta corpulento.
It's number 4.
Porcodrilo fruitilento, astronauta corpulento.
Can you guess the monster?
Trenostruzzo Turbo 3000,
Who do you think it is? Bingo, it's number 14.
Trenostruzzo Turbo 3000,
Can you guess who this is?
Ecco a voi, PUSSINNI, SUSHINNI.
Who do you think it is? And the answer is number 6.
Ecco a voi, PUSSINNI, SUSHINNI.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Can you guess who this is?
TRILALERO TRIMALIMA.
It's number 15.
TRILALERO TRIMALIMA, pollo di met.
Recognize this character?
Tang 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 kelentang.
Who do you think it is? It's number 12.
Tang 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 kelentang. Bayar utang.
Rate the hybrid of
Budi di dun budi andun dan dun din. Dia adalah seorang jambu klutuk tuk 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 yang memiliki tangan.
rate in the comments with an emoji. Next up,
Bananita Dolfinita.
it's number 8.
Bananita Dolfinita.
What character do you think this is?
PiriPiri Crocodilini.
Who do you think it is? And the answer is number 3.
PiriPiri Crocodilini. Luce brillante.
Next up,
Pinguino caramelino.
who do you think it is? It's number 2.
Pinguino caramelino. Gnam 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 guarda.
Who's the character?
Salamino pinguino.
It's number 7.
Salamino pinguino. Mezzo salame.
Can you figure it out?
Torrtuginni Kiwichini.
Absolutely, it's number 13.
Torrtuginni Kiwichini.